This is lesson 155, perimeter of a square. Remember, the perimeter of a polygon is the distance around the polygon, or the sum of all the lengths of the sides. Because the square has 4 congruent or equal sides, we can multiply the length of one side by 4 to get the perimeter of a square. So the formula for the perimeter of a square is perimeter equals 4 times side. Formulas are easy to remember if you think about the special characteristics of each shape. Watch this video, read the yellow box, and complete the worksheet. Greens and homework are optional. Perimeter of a square. Since a square has 4 equal sides, the perimeter can be found by using the formula P equals 4 times side, or S. Here's an example. A square with each side 7 feet. P equals side plus side plus side plus side, or 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. P equals 28 feet. Or, to use the formula, P equals 4 times S, P equals 4 times 7, P equals 28 feet. Class practice. Find the perimeter of these squares by using addition. Here are the answers you should have gotten, and remember to put your linear units in your answer. Find the perimeters using the formula P equals 4 times S. So notice how I always wrote the formula first, and then I always replaced my variable with the length of a side for each square, and then I did the multiplication, and then I added my linear units in my answer. Find the perimeters of these polygons. So the first thing I did was write all my formulas down for rectangles and for square. And here's what you should have gotten once you plugged in your measurements in for your variables in the formula and did the multiplication and addition, and don't forget your linear units. Write the correct prefix in the blank. These are the prefixes, and I also wrote how these decimals can be written as a fraction. Solve for n, check each answer. And these are the answers you should have gotten for these. Remember, these are the answers. And you didn't actually have to do this one. Divide and check. This is what you should have gotten. Solve these story problems. Nicole entered a story contest. The story could not have more than 1,500 words. Nicole wrote 6 pages with an average of 233 words per page. How many more words could she have written without going over the limit? So I need to multiply 233 words times 6 pages first. So she wrote 1,398 words, but the limit is 1,500. So now I need to subtract this number from this number to find out how many words could she have written. And Nicole could have written 102 words more. Spencer spent 3 1/3 years with his parents as missionaries in South Africa. How many months did Spencer stay in South Africa? So we need to change years to months. So I need to convert 3 1/3 years to months. Horse to fly, multiply. My special number is 12. 3 1/3 times 12 equals, I need to change this mixed number to an improper fraction, 10/3 times 12 over 1. I cancel. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 10 times 4 is 40. 40 months.